Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin about to explode and altcoins are soon to follow. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin about to explode and altcoins soon to follow. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, helps out a lot. Join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Now, today, fear and greed at extreme greed, 81, down from yesterday's 82, but still in extreme greed for pretty much the whole week. The overall market up 1% today. Bitcoin at 67,430, Ethereum at 3950, BNB at 472, Solana 146, XRP 62 cents, Cardano 73 cents, Dogecoin 16 cents, and Shiba 4 zeros and a 3. Now, Bitcoin, as you can see right here, there is a nice little triangle right there. Bitcoin generally will break out, especially in a bull market, to the upside of that right here by the end of March, but it could be happening a lot sooner. Based on history, if we take a look at this, we would test previous all-time highs again, roughly in 2 days, March 10th, and then break out above finally towards the end of March. But we'll kind of have to see because this time is a little bit different. Now, right now, Bitcoin is already making an all-time high at the Bitcoin market cap. Why? Well, there's more Bitcoin now than there were back here, so we don't need price to be as high. So the market cap is highest ever. Soon, price is likely going up. As a matter of fact, MicroStrategy has been relentlessly stacking Bitcoin for almost 3.5 years and has 1% of the supply. But by the end of the week, IBIT would have flipped MicroStrategy's and Bitcoin holdings within 2 months of launch. These guys are buying up Bitcoin at record levels. Basically, they're going to buy up the total supply and then price is just going to go through the roof. Potentially. I mean, maybe. That's kind of in a nutshell. Now, if we take a look here, what happened recently is $1 billion USDT minted at Tether. You know what happens when they print a whole bunch of USDT? Bitcoin price goes up dramatically, likely to $69,000 soon. As a matter of fact, the biggest pain on liquidations is right here at $69,000. So price gets pushed up there, that'll liquidate all of these shorts right here, and that'll push price even higher. You can see there's not much people betting on Bitcoin down here, but a lot of liquidation right there, which will push the price even higher. And even if we were to go down, again, unlikely scenario, there is pretty strong support at the $66,000 level and below there the $60,000 level. So those could be the lowest levels we'll see for a long, long time, especially if we see a liquidation cascade, which often happens because people just can't wait and buy spot. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin on the 2-month candles, we can see here that with the log Bollinger Band width, it has reversed, meaning that it is no longer tightening, it is starting to get wider. Historically, when this happens, it is right at the beginning of massive parabolic moves for Bitcoin. So, despite not yet being at the halving, it looks like we are at the beginning of the massive parabolic move for Bitcoin. We see right here, volatility just getting started right here. Historically, when this dips down, that is times historically when Bitcoin went on massive rallies. And guess what? Nobody's selling yet. Everybody is waiting for price to go much, much higher. Historically, when we reach the tops, you can see the red, the yellow, and the green lines all dipping as long-term holders sold. Right now, nobody is selling for the most part. So because of that, it means that price is likely to go much, much higher. Now, if we clump together Bitcoin and altcoins into the total market cap on monthly candles, we have a signal that has not occurred since 2016 when it went up 100-fold. So we could see a record rally this time around. Basically what we have is a bullish cross of the ADX and DI indicator. This only happened in 2016. Pair that with the RSI above 70, and it's likely that we are on the verge of something big about to happen. And for those of you who are watching altcoins starting to explode, maybe you missed some meme coins last week, maybe you're thinking about AI, whatever it may be. Well, the good news is the altcoin season index shows that altcoins are still at the same level as in 2019, 2020, which means that alt season has not even begun, which means that it's still time to pack your bags for alt season, because when things take off, it's going to be revolutionary, going to rock your brain. And there's evidence that we are at the very beginning of what could be the massive alt season. Right here, last cycle, when Ethereum broke the 61.8 fib level, that was literally all up territory for Ethereum. Once again, we have Ethereum breaking the 61.8 fib level, likely all up territory for ETH. And if you think that altcoins are done yet, and meme coins particularly, I would say just wait. Based on history, Dogecoin's 1 week chart, every time it broke out from this, based on previous cycles, we could be at a $1 Doge by the time of the halving mid-April. And if Doge goes for 10x from here, you can only imagine what Shiba and Flocky and Pepe and Bonk and every other meme coin on the face of the planet is going to do. It's only a matter of time. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, also subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.